Asin Channel. So today's vlog ay maglilinis po kami sa aming backyard. Guys, makikita nyo, sobrang bushy. So are you ready, Han?
I'm ready.
Tara, umpisahan na po namin.
At bago po kami mag-umpisa, ito pala ang gagamitin ko po, pangtanggal po ng mga damo. So, ganyan lang po siya gagamitin. Kailangan mo lang ipaghahampas mo yan sa lupa. At ito po ang reality. Pag meron kayong malaking lupa sa inyong backyard, napakaganda dahil makapagtanim po talaga kayo. Especially, mahilig po kayo sa mga garden. So, before po talaga, ay pangarap po talaga namin mag-asawa na gusto namin makabili ng bahay, gusto namin magkaroon ng backyard, dahil gusto namin magtulungan po talaga kami sa pagtanim dahil yung plan po talaga is para makatipid po kami. At dahil po yun, salamat kang Lord, natupad po talaga namin ang mga pangarap namin sa buhay. At ito pala yung ginawa ko po guys, nagtanim po ako dito ng napakadaming spinach dahil tapos na po sila, kaya ito po, tinatanggal ko na po siya.
Wow, it's very strong na yung roots, honey. Yeah, ito yung tinanim ko na kills. Inaatake po siya kahit may nilagay na po kaming cover. Tingnan niyo po kung gaano kadaming caterpillar. Sylvester will be so excited to see this one. Ayan. Can you call Sylvester, honey? Yeah, heaps of them. So, kailangan ko po itong tanggalin lahat dito dahil bago na pong itatanim dito. Ang daming pagkain para sa manok. Gotta look for caterpillar. I saw before. I gotta look. The first one. Mahilig po kasi si Sylvester sa caterpillar. Siya po yung bata na kahit inaatake yung ano namin, plants, happy siya. Pag mayroong caterpillar. I think it's this one. Look.
Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know what is it.
Cocoon.
Yeah, it's cocoon. I'm sure there is a lot there inside. Good job.
This is the baby.
Yeah.
This is the baby. This one needs to grow bigger.
That's fine. Pull it. Because we're gonna plant new one.
That's the tiniest one.
Now, we're gonna bring this one to the chooks. Don't bring so many. Be careful. Okay, let's go to the
Put
chooks.
them in the top.
All of it?
Yes.
Alright. Gusto mo eh. Gusto niya ng marami. I will open the gate for you. Come here. The chook is waiting. Ooh. Krrrr. Krrrr. Oh, there. Be careful. Watch out.
It's green.
Ang daming pagkain nila. One each for you guys. Here, Chucky.
Can we put in each?
Come in.
Can we put it over there?
Para hindi mag-away.
Sure.
Iba-ibang grupo kayo. Mag-continue pa kami paglinis sa backyard. So ganito, pag may mga manukan po kayo, maganda. Kahit may tinatapon kayong mga nasisirang gulay, ay hindi po masasayang. Nakakain po talaga lahat.
Early in the morning pa lang ay nagsimula na po talaga kami pagtrabaho dahil alam ko is napakaraming trabahuin po talaga. Yung mga damo, it's everywhere. So ito po talaga ang realidad. Pag meron kayong malaking property is napakadami po talagang maintenance. Yes, dahil pinangarap po namin magkaroon ng napakalaking property. Ganito rin po talaga. Included po ito sa pangarap niyo ang paglilinis. Kayong dalawa lang talaga mag-asawa. Actually before, medyo maano pa namin to makontrol nung hindi pa ako pumunta sa Pilipinas ng 2 buwan dahil na-busy po talaga ang asawa ko sa pag-aalaga sa anak ko. Yung priority niya talaga is mapasaya palagi si Sylvester everyday. Kaya itong mga damo, sobrang enjoy po talaga sila. Nag-spread everywhere sa aming backyard. Pero yes, kailangan talaga siyang tanggalin. Otherwise, hahaba at haba po yung mga damo at hindi na po talaga namin kayang linisan. Kaya ito guys, hinahinay na po kami.
So ito guys, ang hindi maganda sa backyard nyo po ay 3-corner jack. Napaka sharp. Magto-turn brown po ito and then pag maapakan nyo, as in, sugat po talaga kayo. At sometimes, nakakapag-plat po ito ng bike and sobrang dami po nila sa backyard. Kahit isang ano lang to guys, plant lang ito sa backyard nyo and then they will be everywhere. Grabe oh. Ayan.
We got told, pwede po kaming gumamit ng spray, yung may mga chemicals po. Pero yung asawa ko po is napaka-allergic po talaga yan siya sa mga ano yung ini-spray na mga poisonous. Kasi sabi niya, dito po kami magtatanim. At kung ano yung mga tinatanim namin ay kinakain po namin. Kaya maaari pwedeng pupunta rin sa pagkain namin kung may mga nilalagay po kaming mga poisonous or mga very high chemicals. Mas gusto po kasi ng asawa ko is natural, mga organic. Kaya ito guys, pinagtiisan po talaga namin paglilinis. Itong sobrang napakakapal ng damo. Para sa akin itong tools na ginagamit namin is napakadali lang po siyang gawin. Pero habang tumatagal, sumasakit din po guys yung katawan natin. At habang tumatagal, na-realize ko napaka-big responsibility po talaga magkaroon po ng malaking property. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, siguro next time pag mag-ano tayo, yung maliit na. So enjoy naman po ako guys. Hindi kasi pwede tamad tayo pag nandito tayo sa Australia. Siyempre sa Pilipinas, pwede tayo mag-hire kahit yung 500 pesos a day lang, no? Dito for sure, nasa mga 10,000 to 20,000 pesos a day ang magastos nyo po. Magtatanggal lang po ng mga damo. So, itong ginagawa po namin, ito kasing klaseng damo is pwede lang po siya matanggal yung dahon niya. Tapos, yung roots niya po ay kusang mamamatay lang po. Kaya, okay lang po talaga itong ginagawa po namin. Baka kasi may mga suggestion
baka
kayo. Tutubo lang ulit dahil hindi namin tinatanggal yung roots. Okay lang po talaga ito.
At ito yung dalawa, naglalaro na. We got given this one sa Pilipina kong kaibigan, yung asawa niya, binigyan siya sa bus. Tip truck. It's a dump truck. Whee! Not too far. Remember, we're gonna use that soil pag magtatanim na tayo.
Let's go up again.
You're going to get more soil?
Some more soil over here. There's more in the water. So,
You're going to get another
you
load?
can get some over here. You can get some over here.
Yeah.
Look, there are plenty of the piles.
Uh-oh, Han. You kneel there. You're gonna get dirty.
Ah, that's okay.
Yay! So guys, yung trampoline ay hindi po talaga nakita. So yung lupa po namin ay hanggang dito po sa may punuan. Diyan po ilalagay yung fence namin dito sa side. So hanggang doon po yung ano namin pagutan ng lupa, pagitan po ng lupa yung may fence po sa kapitbahay. And then kailangan lang po namin lagyan dito ng fence, medyo mahaba. Hanggang dito po sa kapitbahay. Ganyan po siya kahaba. And then, continuing. Go, Daddy. Ang dami, guys. Sobrang dami po. Probably, guys, hindi kami matapos sa pagtanggal po ng mga damo dito in the next few days. Busy po talaga kami. And then, mag-start na po kami pananim pag matanggal na po namin itong mga damo. Dami po, nag-out of control po sila. Kasi dito sa amin na area ay sobrang dry. Then suddenly po, sabi ni Deb, nung wala po ako dito, panay ulan. And then within a few days, sobrang bilis po nila lumabas. So guys, i-harvest na po namin itong aming watermelon. Let's harvest this one sa faster. Cheers! So ito po yung tinanim po naming watermelon. For the first time po naming hinarvest. And bubuksan ko po ito dahil yung una po naming na-harvest ay nag-turn kulay yellow na po siya. Ayan, makikita nyo po, I think medyo overripe na din ito. Pero tingnan po natin. Yes, it might roll. Is it alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can put it in the ground.
Buksan natin doon sa sa veranda. Come, darling. We're also gonna try your watermelon, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be here. Bring that one. Kanina pa po kami linis ng mga damo. So let's open our watermelon. Nugasan ko na po siya. Hopefully this is not overripe. Sylvester, what do you think? Whoa.
It's ready.
Wow, look at that. It's so fresh. Sarili po naming tanim. Just wait, darling. Wait. We gotta try this one first. Let's find out kung overripe siya. Kasi yung first po naming hinarvest, soap na pong kainin. So siguro ito rin.
Very good. That's
Ang tamis. It's good, Sylvester.
Can you take all the seeds?
Medyo hinog na po talaga siya kaunti, sobra. Yeah, hindi talaga siya yung sobrang crispy. Medyo overripe siya, pero masarap po. Here. Masarap po siya, matamis. You like it? Try one, honey. Here.
It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Napaka, ano po guys, napakatamis, sweet. But I think it's overripe a little bit. Medyo na-over lang po siya sa pagkahinog dahil matagal po namin na harvest. Kasi hindi nga namin alam. Akala namin, I think, yes, ang gantong katok ay hinog na talaga siya. So, open that one as well. Mag-share daw siya sa manok. Napakadaming seeds po ito ng watermelon. The best is removing it. Daddy's eating it. Alam niyo po guys, it's our first time to grow watermelon. First time din namin makatikim ng sarili po naming tanim. Do you like it?
I might cut.
Yeah. Yung sa ibabaw lang yung medyo soft. Medyo malaki lang atang pagkahiwa ko. Maganda na watermelon to. Tingnan nyo po, napakanipis po yung skin. Yung laman niya is makapal. Is it possible to collect the seed and plant later on? Okay, be careful. Gusto niyang itry. That one? Tingnan natin. Hopefully hindi overripe.
Oh, it's not
Whoa.
out of ripe.
Is
It's
it?
not.
Okay, just wait. Mukhang maganda.
I'm gonna take away the seeds.
Let's try this one. Wow, wow, wow. It looks good actually.
I'll try.
I swear, yung isa po guys is overripe.
I think it's not.
Oh my god, this is so good.
It's the sweetest one.
Ang ganda. Tatlo po kasi sila kanina. Yung kinuha ko po kanina, yung may yellow, then pinakain ko na lang sa manok dahil napaka-soup kainin. Ito,
I'm gonna take away the seeds.
crispy honey.
Is it?
So good and
Success.
yummy.
So good and yummy.
Yeah, it's sweet.
I think this is a lot better than the first one. Try,
Yeah.
honey. Nako, gustong-gusto ni Sylvester. How about you, honey?
Nice.
It is very nice. I think ito ang pinaka-the best watermelon. The best watermelon in the world. Sobrang ganda.
Mama.
Do you want more, Sylvester?
Yes.
Oh
In
my
my
gosh.
garden.
Are you wanna try in our garden as well?
No, mine.
Okay, later on, later on. One more?
Yes, then
Okay.
I've been mine.
It's really good po dahil grabe oh, tingnan niyo kung gaano kanipis lang po yung skin. Look, habalukan eh. The skin is very skinny.
Is it?
Yeah, which is good.
It's so skinny.
There's more fruit.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Yes, so
I-collect natin
sweet.
yung seeds.
It's so sweet.
I know, it's the most sweet watermelon in the world. This one is for you.
Yeah, this one, the bigger one.
This one is for you.
See, the big,
Easy to eat.
that one's
Yeah, you can have 2 watermelon. Since we grew this one, and you work so hard to help daddy as well to water our watermelon. Kaya, kumain ka anak hanggang gusto mo. Akala ko pa naman nag-overripe na siya. Yung pala, it's perfect. Pero, lucky po, na-check ko po yung kanina, yung nag-yellow na po. Otherwise, it's too late to harvest this one. To harvest this one, honey, if I didn't eat the first one. So sweet, daddy, her. Wow, that's a very big one.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. Tingnan niyo po. Look, honey. Look at that. It's very good quality watermelon.
Next year we can do a watermelon farm.
I can't believe it. It's success. Success, honeybee. Yummy. Ito, medyo hinog na siya kaunti. Pero itong pangalawa, laki, hindi siya masyadong overripe. You see the difference, guys? Makikita niyo, may pagka-crispy ito. Ito is, ayan, parang soap na. Ayan, oh, yan ang diferensya nilang dalawa. Medyo soap na po ito, pero okay pa rin. Pero ito po yung mas the best. Do you want more, Sebastian?
Yes, in my garden.
In your garden, you wanna try? Maybe next day, since we have too many watermelon, itry natin the next few days yung watermelon mo dahil kailangan muna natin itong ubusin. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Mine's gonna be sweet, not enough.
Yours?
Yes.
Of course. It will be really sweet because you're such a sweet boy.
Yes,
Aren't you?
yes.
Good job. You're so dirty. Yung kakabihis mo lang kanina. This morning, look at you.
Yes.
Very messy na. Turn off the water na, Sylvester, dahil nadiligan na ang mga halaman. Happy plants na po sila. Oh dear. Oh dear. Somebody very busy here, honey. Have a look. The chooks is very excited digging. Look at this, honey. You should see this one. Oh dear. What a spoiled Chucky.
And I even have silver beet.
Oh yes, I'm sure. Honey, how about the rest? How about the rest? Pero ang hirap ng hulihin if it's too many. Oh, naghahanap po sila ng worm. Wow, good, Chucky. It's so cute. Ito rin yung isa. Sobrang busy, Sylvester. Mommy gonna harvest some snow peas. Okay? You na come? And join to Mommy? Everybody is busy. Si Daddy is busy pa rin. Huh? You are busy too. Be careful, the chooks is next to you. Look. It's so busy. Ito yung favorite po nila. Lalo na po pag may tubig dito. Naghahanap po. Are you looking for worm? Look at Chook is looking for something.
I'm getting some dirt.
Be careful to the Chookie's head, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna look for it.
It's checking something. Ang cute ng mga manok. Yung iba guys, nagsisilos na. Yung mga favorite chooks ang kinukuha ni Sylvester. So may paano-ano na. You're getting dirty na, darling. You really need to shower soon. So mag-harvest po ako ng snow peas. Ito po yung wild snow peas. Nyo lang po ito siyang linisan. Pag nag-harvest kayo, hugasan nyo lang po. Dahil it can be really dusty. So, yung iba is nag-overripe na. Ayan. Pag hindi na siya ma-harvest agad, ganito yung nangyayari. Kukuha pa tayo doon sa kabila. Marami naman ito. Meron po dito. Sayang naman is pagkain na ito, di ba? Sayang nang kung hindi siya makain. Kailangan nyo lang i-check. Hindi po namin to dinidiligan, to be honest. Kung dinidiligan lang po namin yung puno ng cherry, tsaka pa po sila madiligan. And napaka-top lang po talaga sila na kasi wild lang naman eh. Saan sila galing? Itong mga ito yung nilalagay po namin sa palibot ng halaman. What do you call this one, honey, again?
Pea straw.
Pastro. Diyan po sila tumutubo. Parang yung pastro po is meron silang dinadalang seeds. Punta po tayo sa kabila dahil walang masyadong bunga dyan. Pero ito po, may na-harvest po ako. 4. Ay, kulay red. Sa ano yan po guys, ang palaya. Dito po tayo sa kabila. We have to be, don't step on that, honey. Get bang your head. Over here. Hindi pa namin dito na na cut yung damo. Sobrang wild. Here, honey, look. Wow. Ito yung maganda. Crispy pa to kainin. At wala po tong mga spray. Kaya maganda talaga to.
I think the marshmallow weeds are taking over.
Yeah. Ay,
Yeah, the garbage truck come.
tamis. Try, darling.
Yeah,
Come.
the garbage.
Nice, isn't it? This is the long one. At first po, natakot ako kainin kasi sabi ni Dave, this is the same snow peas, whatever you get from the supermarket. Ako pa naman yung taong madaling matakot, especially kung hindi ko alam, hina-harvest lang sa wild and baka poisonous. Sabi ko kan Dave, I'm not gonna eat this one. I might get poison. Sabi ni Dave, look, I'm even gonna show you. I'm gonna eat it. And then, wala naman nangyari sa asawa ko. Kung alam ko naman po yung Snoopy, sabi ko, I know what the Snoopy is like, but di ko lang alam kung edible ba itong mga wild na tumutubo sa atin. Baka kapareho lang. Pero, it's turned out, Snoopy's pala talaga. Nagtatago yung iba. There's another one, di ba? Hindi ko makita. You're bringing dirt? Don't put the dirt everywhere because remember the soil, we're gonna use that one
We are gonna use it for some
kung
plants.
magtatanim na tayo.
We're gonna put them here so we can use more all the time.
Green kasi yung kulay, kaya kailangan mo talaga tingnan ng maigi. Green na green yung kulay. But at least, ayan. Di naman talagang masyadong madami, but there's something. Counted na yan pag lulutuin natin, healthy. Punta po tayo sa kabila, this one. They're everywhere eh. So, ito, mayroong bang bunga? I heard Chucky. Naku, dami pa naming trabahuin. Tingnan nyo guys, yung kamay ko. Surrender na. Kailangan ko ng makapal na gloves. Over there, honey. This is pretty new, kaya wala pong masyadong bunga. Libot na tayo sa kabila. Libot-libot lang tayo, ang daming Snoopies eh. Oh, look, have a look. They're hiding. I see it. Lucky, we don't have any cat or aso na baka naihian po ito. Wala po ditong umiihi. Really hiding, aren't they? If you don't really look, hindi mo makita. Yan. Kahit tag-4 na piraso kami ni Dave or 5 piraso, that's very healthy na. Is there more, honey? Oh, you found it!
There are ones like this.
Oh, good job. Good job, Bester. Over here. Oh, you're eating it. He likes it. Ay, napaka good boy mo, Sylvester. You eating vegetable? Krrrr! Oh, Sylvester feeling sorry to the rest of the chooks. That's alright. They will come out, Sylvester, if they want. Krrrr! Come here. Oh, he's so running. He's so running to me. He's so running to me. You're so full. Wanna go out? You wanna go out now?
Full crop.
Go, go, go. Everybody. Oh my God, look at that. She's running, honey. Good, Chucky. Come over here.
Here they come.
They're coming. Sebastian feeling sorry. I feel sorry as well sa iba. Kasi uuwi lang yan sila ng kusa ngayon, tonight. He's running towards
Another one. Chuk chuk.
Chuk Chuk.
Chuk chuk. Chuk chuk.
Chuk Chuk. Look, the rest, honey, they don't know how to go out.
They're not used to it, are they?
Look. Over here, Chucky. Get out through the door. Ganyan po sila ka-happy. Nakapaglabas po sila. Minsan kasi hindi namin sila nilalabas. Dahil baka sisirain po yung mga tanim namin. Chuk Chuk! Delivery! Delivery!
Honey, let the chooks outside. The big pile was there with me. Actually, and that's what 21.
Oh. This one's not tight.
They don't know how to go out. Kaya tinutulungan ni Dave na lumabas. Yung iba, it's very smart. Kasi yung iba, nasanay din lumalabas eh. To, panay running. Happy chooks. Yung iba, nandun sa kabila. That's alright, Sylvester.
That's the chook
That's
food.
very kind of you.
Chook food are better.
And guys, itong strawberry po namin, I think it's gonna die. That's it, honey. Dahil pag winter, it's sobrang malamig. And then pag hindi siya naka-cover, so we're planning to remove all the strawberry. And then, yung ano lang guys, tanggalin lang namin yung, yung runner or yung plants po talaga kung saan po namin i-transfer. So, kailangan po namin to tanggalin. Magtanim po kami ng bago. Ang dami po namin tatanggalin actually. This one, our basil, has to remove. And the basil has to remove dahil pag winter po guys, this morning, is it 5 degrees?
Yeah.
5 degrees. Pag winter po dito sa amin na area, it can be minus 5 degrees, the coldest it get. So, ganyan po siya kalamig. So, hindi magsusurvive po yung mga tanim na pang summer po siya unless po na nakakover po siya. And then, I think we're not gonna cover it. Magtanim po kami dito ng bago. And itong talong, magkulik lang po kami ng seeds. We have to pull it. We Dave?
Yeah.
Kailangan namin ito tanggalin dahil mamamatay lang naman po siya. So, pag summer is magtatanim po kami ng bago at yung iba, kailangan din talaga tanggalin. So, dito po ay sa susunod po na vlog ay makikita nyo po, tanggalin na po namin yung strawberry, yung talong, tsaka...
Oh, look, is that a strawberry there? See that red one?
Yeah, it is. Itong spring onions, hindi po namin tatanggalin dahil makapag-survive po sila ng lamig. Ito dito po, kailangan tanggalin. All the choke! Tumutulong na siya sa sarili niya, balok. Napakaswerte ng mga manok dito. Hoy! Hoy! Chucky! That is my capsicum. Why you in there, huh? You gotta get out. There's plenty.
I like to dig.
You can dig somewhere else, okay?
In the garden bed too. Look.
Oh!
In the eggplant.
That's alright. We're gonna pull the eggplant anyway. And that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And I believe, bago po namin ma-clear up ang aming backyard within the next few days pa po. Thanks for watching. Bye!